What is up, guys? And today I will be teaching you how to get that sweet microphone studio sound like when with a pretty cheap mic. So first of all, what you're gonna do is you gotta go ahead and go to the Voicemeeter website, and I'll leave the link in the description. So first of all, this is what you'll see. Nothing else will pop up. So you just gotta scroll down, and you can either download Voicemeeter zip package or Voicemeeter executable file. It doesn't really matter. The difference is that if you download the zip package, you will get in zip package itself, and if you download Voicemeeter exe file, you will get a Voicemeeter executable. So when you download it, I can't really download it right now. If I click download, something will happen. Just click on download, and then it'll start download, and then you click on this and you unpackage the Voicemeeter. But I've already done that, so if I download it now, it will just shut down my Voicemeeter that I'm using currently. Hey, so once you've got your Voicemeeter, the Voicemeeter doesn't actually pop up in your desktop. So unlike mine, I already put it in mine. But if you download for the first time, it won't appear in your desktop. So what you want to do is you just gotta go here. And search for Voicemeeter, and there you go. Just click on that, and then this will appear. So I already got mine set up. So to show you how different the microphone sounds like, I am going to change to another microphone that I think sounds worse than this mic. So right now I am using the microphone, a little cheaper microphone that I have, that you can hear it sounds really different. So what you want to do is you gotta find the right spot. I mean, like if I move this, you can already hear the difference. So this is actually up to you what does it sound like, but because of my microphone is pretty cheap, I'm just gonna put it here, and you can already hear it sounds really good and really different from its original sound. So before you do that, you gotta put in input here. So you're just gonna click that and search for the microphone that you wanted to use, and you want to click on WDM, because WDM have less latency. It means that it takes less time for the audio to be processed by this program. So if this thing takes 2 seconds, then my voice will go into the mic and the program will process it, and it will take about 2 seconds. So you want to click on WDM, and it will process faster than 2 seconds. And next you want to go to hardware out. Hardware out is basically where you want to let the audio out. So what you want to do is you just click on any of the speaker or voice system, sound system that you have, and make sure you click on MME. I don't really remember why, but it's better if you click on MME. So I don't want to click that will just ruin my whole setup. So that's it. That's basically it. And I did a video on this, so because my friend asked me to, because he said that he has a pretty bad microphone. So I think this thing right here can help us, help his microphone problem. I hope I've helped you guys out there. So that's it.